In a bold stride toward the future of mobility, BYD has officially pulled the curtain back on its latest innovation, the Hiace 07 DMI and DMP, a pair of plug-in hybrid SUVs that fuse cutting-edge design, breakthrough technology, and a touch of science fiction. At first glance, the Hiace 07 captivates with what BYD calls its maritime aesthetics design philosophy. The car's silhouette is clean and fluid, evoking the grace of ocean waves. Futuristic E-shaped LED headlights sweep across the front, connected by a light strip that glows with purpose. Blacked-out accents and aggressive lower air intakes hint at performance, while the extended LED taillights at the rear complete the modern, sporty look. With a length of 4,880 mm and a wheelbase stretching 2,820 mm, the Hiace 07 isn't just stylish, it's spacious too. But where the Hiace 07 truly sets itself apart is in the sky. For the first time in automotive history, a vehicle comes equipped with an integrated drone system, the result of a groundbreaking partnership between BYD and DJI. Called the Link-A drone system, this futuristic feature allows drivers to launch a drone directly from a hidden compartment in the rear of the vehicle. Once airborne, it can track the car in motion, capture breathtaking footage, and then return automatically, like a loyal, airborne companion. Controlled seamlessly through the vehicle's infotainment screen, this drone isn't just a tech gimmick, it's a tool for adventurers, vloggers, and road trip storytellers alike. Step inside, and while BYD is still keeping some details under wraps, spy shots reveal a cabin that's both high-tech and inviting. A new steering wheel design, refined control layout, and return to more tactile door handles suggest a blend of luxury and practicality. At the center of it all is a large, AI-powered infotainment display, ready to keep passengers connected, entertained, and in control. Under the hood, the Hiace 07 delivers performance that backs up its futuristic appeal. Available in two configurations, the DMI, front-wheel drive, and the DMP, all-wheel drive. Both variants are powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged hybrid engine. The DMI combines this with a single electric motor for a total output of 422 horsepower, while the more powerful DMP adds a rear motor, pushing the total to a thrilling 623 horsepower. Acceleration: a blistering 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.7 seconds in the DMP. And it's not just about speed. The Hiace 07 is built on BYD's 5th-generation DM technology, promising improved efficiency, smoother hybrid transitions, and extended electric-only range, perfect for both city cruising and long-distance drives. Safety and intelligence round out the package, thanks to BYD's D-Pilot system. Packed with sensors, cameras, and radar, the car offers adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, automatic emergency braking, and advanced autonomous driving features designed to ease the stress of the road. Set to be priced between 200,000 yen to 250,000 yen, around CR 104,000 to 130,000, the Hiace 07 is expected to hit Chinese showrooms soon, with a possible international release on the horizon. The Hiace 07 DMI isn't just a new hybrid, it's BYD's vision of what the road, and maybe even the sky, can look like. A fusion of design, performance, and technology, it dares to ask, why should driving be limited to the ground? Thanks for watching, wish you like it and subscribe.